In this video, I will show you how to set up Get Paid and your withdrawal earnings on your Upwork account without any stress. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, let me show you how. For everyone using Android user, go ahead and make sure you open up your Play Store. Every Android user, after you open up your Play Store, click on search. Go ahead and click on search app and look for Upwork. Hit on search, and the next thing you want to do is to make sure you download and install this Upwork right here. After a successful download and install, hit on open. Then it's going to load to the Upwork login interface. Log in with your username and password of Upwork. After a successful login, it's going to take you to your Upwork account. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on your profile icon from the top. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on withdrawals. So under the withdrawals, you will see tax information. Complete your tax profile to access funds in your account. You need to validate your tax information to comply with local tax authority before adding a withdrawal method. You can click on tax info right here to read detail about tax info. So go ahead and read tax info. This information is required in order to confirm if you are a USA or non-US taxpayer and whether or not Upwork is required to withhold taxes from your earning, and add your tax information now to avoid delay in getting paid. Tax residence. Your tax resident information is part of the Upwork W9 or W8 form process. This process will be displayed on invoice. So all you have to do right here is to go ahead, click on select country right here. Go ahead and make sure you choose your country. All countries are represented right here. You just want to make sure you choose your country right here. Once you choose your country, next thing you want to do is to enter your address line 1, address line 2, city, postal code, and hit on save. And you are done. After fill up your tax information in Upwork account, then simply go back right here. Then the next thing you can do right here is to add your withdrawal method. So you can see, because there is no revenue in this account, that is why the withdrawal method is disabled. For you to add your withdrawal method, click on view my earnings right here. And then it's going to take you right here. Just go ahead and click on add withdrawal method right here.